So I needed a rotary encoder to be able to change the frequency. The only problem with the part is that tripod would be handy just about now. The pins are flat. I'm going to try to move out there. You see, the pins are flat. They're made for printed circuit boards, but they're not breadboard friendly. So you have to solder on. What I use is I scrap some resistors that go dirt cheap, and I soldered them on and make extensions, except it makes for a very wobbly design. It's difficult to put in, easy to screw them up. Come on, baby, come on. See, it doesn't make for a solid design. So I came up with this. This is the top side. Bottom side has 4 extra pins, 4 extra holes that go in 10,000th of an inch through, and they stop just before the surface. So place my pins on the circuit board, and that helps stabilize the whole assembly. So down at the switch level, there's really no more jiggling, no more rotation problem. There's only when you hold on to the top of the the knob, you got to be careful not to lever it, because I mean, it's not made for that. I didn't put glue. I could put glue on the sides, but hey, I'm the only one playing with this thing. At least this does the job.